Hey everyone, I'm Wago Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. Wago stands for when you get old. I have a lot, and I mean a lot, of empties to share with you for the month of January 2024. Alright, let's dive in and start with the skincare. I am very sad to see this product go. This here is from KOPARI. It's the Ultra Restore Body Butter with hyaluronic acid. I got this in a Trend Beauty mystery box, and let me tell you, this product is fantastic. This here is in the scent Prickly Pear and Coconut, and it smells delicious, but there's none left to smell. It's the perfect consistency, not super thick, not too thin, goes into the body beautifully. I enjoyed every last drop of this, and I think this is my second one because it was a repeat item in two different Trend mood boxes, but I loved it so much I wasn't mad. Would I buy it again? You bet I would. But I would need to wait for it to go on sale because it is a little pricey. Alright, the next product is a similar type product, but it's one of those products I'm going to be getting rid of where I haven't used it up. This here's from a brand called AMNH. It's the Birthday Cake Whipped Body Butter. This is what she looks like. Oops, big chunk just dropped out. It had like jimmies or sprinkles on top. You could feel them. They didn't dissolve. Also, it's very greasy or oily. So you get out of the shower and you go to apply it, and it does not absorb into the skin. It just stays on, and you can feel this greasy, I don't know. And it also smells, and you can kind of still smell some sweetness, but underneath that is a little bit of kind of rancid oil scent. I have to let it go. I did not enjoy it at all. Particularly, it was the first cream I used after this emptied. I was like, what? No, so bad. All right, this next product, I am so excited that I used it up. This here is from IT Cosmetics, and it's Confidence in a Cleanser. First off, this product is ginormous, and it lasted forever. If you love the product, that's a good thing. If you were like me and didn't care for the scent, it lasted way too long. It has a citrus scent, and normally I love citrus scent. However, it is very, very strong and very, very artificial smelling. It's a lemon scent, but it smells so, I don't know how to explain it. Like lemon, but fake lemon and super strong. To the point where it was obnoxious. It foamed up nicely, felt nice on the skin. Did it clean? I don't know. I take off my makeup before I use products like this. I use this in the shower in the morning. My skin afterwards felt a little tight, a little dry, but then I go into my skincare routine. I know for a fact I would never buy this again just because I don't like the scent, and IT Cosmetics is a little pricey. But leave me a comment and let me know if you've tried this and you love it. This next product is from Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. Now, when it comes to Glow Recipe, their products for me are hit or miss. Their plum something, I don't know, it was a little too sticky tacky. This product I did enjoy. The packaging is beautiful to look at. It's full glass, comes with a pump. What I don't care for is, you can see it's kind of cloudy. There's probably another 2 uses in here. However, you can't get it out of the pump anymore. Well, there's a little bit. But, yeah, it's a gel cream, which I love, and it smells like watermelon, which is fantastic. If this product was on a super reduction or big sale, I would definitely pick it up again. It was really good, and I love the scent. Next, I have a hand cream. This is from Gold Bond. I believe I had one in last month's Empties video. It's the Strength and Resilience Proteins and Lipids. It's something that I got in a box, probably a Walmart box. I toss it in my bag, use it at work. It doesn't really have a scent, so what I do is I will mix a little with the next product, which I loved and enjoyed. Can you tell how much I mangled this to get every last drop out? This here is from Dionis. It's a goat milk hand cream, and this is in the scent Caramel Pumpkin Spice. Okay, so this smells so good. It is the type of hand cream that just smells so good, but when you apply it and your coworkers are like, what's that smell? It's my hand cream. But then as you wash your hands throughout the day, even later in the day, after you've washed your hands 2 or 3 times, you can still smell it in a good way. Like, who does that on a hand cream? Normally you get the scent and then it kind of dissipates, particularly then you wash your hands, you don't smell anymore. No, this is so good. So what I would do is I would take a few drops of this boring cream and I would add a little squirt of this to get the scent, and I'd mix the two together. That way this would last longer in a sense because it smells so good. Would I buy it again? Yes, I would. Alright, this next product is a moisturizer and SPF rolled into one. This is from Fenty Beauty, and this is the Hydra Visor. This is a travel size. It's 30 ml. This lasted way longer than you would think. It has the signature Fenty Beauty scent, which is kind of floral, fruity mix, maybe like a cherry blossomy type of a scent. I don't know if you've ever smelled any of their products. It's that same scent. Comes with a pump. This is really good if you're in a hurry in the morning and don't have time to first apply moisturizer, let it settle in, and then later apply your sunscreen, because it's all in one and just, you know, out the door. Would I buy this again? I think I would. Not soon, because I have a bunch of SPFs ready to test out. But if this was on sale again, because, you know, your girl here is on a budget or a little cheap or however you want to call that, it's a little pricey. But if it's on sale or it was a Sephora VIB coupon code, yes, I would definitely pick it up again. All right, these next products, yes, plural, I'll explain. You have seen them in previous Empties videos. This here is from Degree. It's a deodorant and it's in the scent Sheer Powder. The reason I have 2 is because I emptied one. I went to grab the next one because I get these at Target and they come in a twid pack. But guess what? It's brand new. There's that little plastic protector. The spinny thingy-mabob is broken and the deodorant is not pushing up. So I don't know how I'm going to be able to use something when it doesn't pop up. So sadly, I'm going to have to throw this never been used deodorant away. I already bought more. So there you go on that comment. Yes, will I repurchase? It's my go-to deodorant. All right, next product. I finally emptied this. This here is from Sunin. It's the hair lightener. Last February, so almost a year ago, I colored my hair on my own, and we're still looking pretty good. But to keep it kind of light and bright, every, I don't know, 2 to 3 days, I would spritz in this, take my hair dryer, and just, you know, keep it looking light. I need to buy more, so the answer to the question, would I buy it again, is yes. All right, here we have a toothpaste. This is from Colgate. It's the Optic White Pro Series. You've seen this product in previous Empties videos. I got them at Costco. I believe it was a 4-pack. This is number 3, and I'm on my last one. Would I buy them again? Yes. I'm just hoping between now and when I empty the one I'm using now, Costco will have them on sale again. All right, this product here is from Mighty Patch. These are the Hero. They're just little, I don't have any left, but they just come in these little sheets. You peel it. There's a little, I don't call it a sticker, but it's a little circle that if you have a friend visit out of the blue, you stick it on, wear it, go to sleep, and it really helps to reduce the redness and helps the friend to not be so noticeable. I would highly recommend these. I don't need to buy any at the moment. I tend to get them in beauty subscriptions, which is nice because I'm lucky and don't get acne very often. When I do, it's a honker and painful, insistic and lasts for like a month to 2 months. Yeah, it takes forever to go away. So these are great to have on hand. All right, the next two products are kind of crossover skincare-ish into makeup. This here is from Wet n Wild. It's the makeup remover. This was an interesting product. I would take a little square cotton doohickey mabob, fold it over so I made a little teeny quad, press it down, get it dampened, and then it would go in as my second cleanse because my first cleanse is always a makeup wipe. And then I would follow up with this. Now, it kind of left a greasy feel. That sounds weird. However, in a good way, if that makes sense. So I would then rub it into my skin and then it would kind of absorb and then make my skin feel like it was moisturized and not dried out. Don't know if that's the proper way to use this because it's a makeup remover. I don't know. That's how I do. It's just swirl it around and then take whatever was still on my skin and kind of rub it in. Would I buy it again? Great question. I have so many makeup removers. Maybe, I want to say it's like $3 or $4. It's not very expensive. It is a smaller container. It has the type where, you know, you push down, which is normally nice. It was a little aggressive though. Stuff would squirt out. I would say, yeah, I would maybe pick it up again. I would definitely use it again if I received it in a box. Speaking of makeup wipes, we have this brand here from Refreshments. I have used these up before in the past, and I just got another one from a friend, so you'll see it in the future. I don't know if this is how these are supposed to smell, if they've gone bad or what, but that's my biggest complaint is the scent. I left one because it's kind of dried out a little bit, and I just wanted to show you the size. It smells like what I think hemp smells like, but don't quote me on that. Either that or there's something kind of rancid a little bit. It's not superly strong rancid, but it doesn't smell fresh and lovely. And honestly, that's what turns me off. But do I still use them up? Yeah, because I have it. It just quickly goes on. It's my first cleanse. And then I go in with an actual liquid cleanser on a pad, and then that really takes off everything else. It's the type of product, would I buy it on my own? No. Will I use it if I receive it in my life? Yes. All right, now on to the makeup. We have a gloss here, which is called Juicy Bomb from Essence. This is lovely. Love the scent, love how it feels. Not a huge fan of the packaging. It's the type with the little slanty bit. You sit here and you have to squeeze and squeeze, and then you can't quite get everything out. There's a little bit. That's the problem. It either too much comes out or not enough. It smells really sweet and fruity. Let's just take what's on my finger. It's comfortable. It's affordable. I want to say it's like $2.99, $3.99. I know myself. I will definitely, the next time I do an Essence haul, will probably toss them in my cart. Now this next product, I'm sad because it's something that's not all the way used up and I'm getting rid of, but I love the shade. However, I want to say I picked this up in 2020 early on in my YouTube filming career, and it smells a little funky funk. By the way, if you like getting attention in public, pick one of these up. It has a mirror on the side, and I don't know if it'll show up because my lights are so bright. There is a light in the lid. Now, in theory, that sounds cool. However, what happens is when you go to apply it, the light hits you in the eye. So it doesn't really do much other than function as a way to get attention. Because every time I use this in public, people are like, oh my God, does that have a light? That is so cool. Like, you get attention. This, however, is like my favorite shade. I will apply it for you because I want you to see how gorgeous it is. And by gorgeous, meaning I'm probably the only person in the world who will love and enjoy this because she's light. But I love shades like this. It's my type of shade. I can't handle the scent anymore. smelling rancid, so she's got to go. The question is, would I buy it again? All right, so I don't want to get into drama, blah, blah, blah. There's some stuff been going around about Jen Gerard, and I follow some other people who have a channel. I'm on the fence. I love the shade so much, so I'm going to challenge myself to see if I can't find a very, very similar shade to this in a different brand. If not, I may have to pick it up again because I love that shade so, so much. All right, this next product is in the category of not used up but tossing it. This is the Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner from which brand? I want to say Ico London because it doesn't say that, but there's an eye with a crown. I'm fairly certain. All right, so I grabbed this the other day and she's dried out. I used it and it's dried out. Time to give it up, which I guess in theory means it's used up, but I really didn't use it that often. I don't know, I probably got this 3 years ago in a subscription box. Used it a few times. I went to grab it and yeah, time to say goodbye. Will I buy it again? Probably not. Just being honest. All right, now the last product I do want to shed a tear for. I could have emptied this last month, possibly the month before, but I was scraping out every last drop. And that product is this one here from Tarte. This is the Creaseless Concealer. If you've been following me, thank you. You've seen me use this product in a bazillion videos. I love it so much, and I'm very sad. It's hard, like, it's not clear because there's still some clinging to the sides, but it's hard to get the brush around. I love this shade so much, and will I buy it again? Heck yeah. Have I already? Yeah. I have a backup ready to go. The problem is I'm trying to be a good consumer and use up the 50 other concealers I have that are already partially used and open before opening my backup. I don't think I can go that long. I'm going to try my best, but if you start seeing me use this again, yeah, I caved. All right, that is everything, and that was a lot that I emptied in the month of January. Keep in mind, I don't open stuff at the beginning of January and empty it. No, these have been going throughout the year, and they just happen to all end up being used up all at the same time. That was quite a lot. I fear my February video is going to be very light, but that's my luck. All right, let me know if you've tried or used any of these products or if you are now curious to give any a try. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you're notified of future videos. If you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up video. It takes you 2 seconds, but it really does help my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.